my name is Angela Beach. I am from Austin, Texas, and I am the assistant principal here at Dalian American International School.
Welcome to Dalian American International School. My name is Peter Rowe. I'm the elementary principal. I'm originally from Waterloo, Ontario, Canada.
My name is Rachel. I'm from Shenyang. I'm the elementary principal's assistant.
Hello, I'm Joe. I'm from Dalian. I work from desk. We come here.
Hi, I'm Miss Wang. I'm from Jilin Province. I will support with the EAL students from grade 2 to grade 5.
Hi, I'm Ms. Stark, and I'm from Ohio, and I'm the upper elementary EL specialist for grades 3 through 5 this year.
Hello, I'm Ms. Roy, and I'm the kindergarten to grade 2 EAL specialist and elementary EAL department head. I'm from the great state of Texas and looking forward to meeting you.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Guy. I'm from Canada and I teach first grade. I can't wait to meet you all.
Hello, dear families. My name is Miss Lin, and I came from Dalian, China. I'm currently working in grade 1 with Miss Guy as a teaching assistant position. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Patel. I'm originally from Houston, Texas in the USA, and I'm teaching second grade math and science.
Hello, I'm Miss Kearney from Wisconsin in the United States. I teach second grade here, language arts and social studies.
Hello, I'm Miss Honeycutt and I will be teaching third grade language arts and social studies. I'm from Texas and I can't wait to start reading with you.
Hi, I'm Miss Halpenny. I'm from Fort Worth, Texas, and I will be teaching math and science for third grade.
Hi, I'm Miss Ferris from the friendly state of Texas. I'll be teaching fourth grade literacy and social studies.
Hi, I'm Mr. Rohrbeck, and I come from Pennsylvania in the United States, and I teach fourth grade math and science.
Hello, I am Mr. Nagash. I teach fifth grade English and social studies. I am from Colorado in the U.S.
Hi, I'm Miss Gilba. I'm from Canada, and this year I'll be teaching fifth grade math and science.
Hello everyone, my name is Katia Marie Francisque. I'm from New York City and I'll be teaching kindergarten this year.
Hello, my name's Laura. I come from Dalian. This year I will work with kindergarten.
Hello everybody, my name is Gabby. I'm from Dalian. I'm working here as a library teaching assistant. Welcome back.
Hello families and students of DAIS. My name is Beth Rohrback, and for those of you that do not know me, I am the elementary school librarian. This is my 22nd year overseas and my third year at DAIS as librarian, and I absolutely love my job. We have an incredible library with some great online and print resources. I'm excited for all of the students to get back so they can see our new Panda Award books and see some of the new books we've ordered. And I'm excited to share some of my favorite books that I've read over the summer. Students have library once a week where they can return books and they work with me on various skills. And the library is open before school, during lunch, and after school. So I am looking forward to meeting our new families and students. I'm looking forward to seeing my friends that were here last year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Guan Lao Shi. Nice to meet you all. I'm from Singapore and I will be teaching Mandarin class from grade 1 to grade 5.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Miss Wang Lao Shi. I'm from Dalian. I will teach Mandarin class from kindergarten to grade 5.
Hello, this is Miss Gong. I'm from south of China, Hunan province. I'll be teaching Mandarin from grade K to grade 5.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Reina, and I grew up in Togo, and my family is from North Carolina, United States, and I will be teaching pre-K.
Hello, my name is Crystal. I come from Dalian, and this year I work for pre-K.
Hi, I'm Mr. Reyna. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I'll be teaching pre-K through grade 2 music.
Hello, I'm Dr. Gifford. I'm from Arkansas, and I will be teaching music to grades 3 through 5.
Hello, I'm Mr. Martin. I'm from Peru, and I will be teaching art.
Hi, my name is Grace Holstrom. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. I am the Learning Support Coordinator for K through 12 and the Assistant Athletics and Activities Director.
Hello, I'm Mr. Newton. I'm from America, and I teach design class for pre-K through 5th grade.
Hello, I am Diana Maso from Colombia, and I will be Mr. Martin Moratillo's teacher assistant in the art class.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Hopkinson, and I'm from California, USA. I'll be teaching PE for the pre-K all the way up to 5th grade, and I'm really excited to meet you guys. Hope to see you guys soon.